Okay, we're frying up some perch that we caught in the Peshtigo River this year. I'm going to show you my technique of what I use to just make a really light brown coating on the fish. First, we keep the fillets in really ice cold water, and it's not bad to even keep them in the fridge for a couple days like that on ice water. And then we use cracker meal. That's what I use. And all you do is you put them in a big baggie like this, dump it in, and then you're taking the you don't use no eggs or butter or anything like that. You just take them right out of the cold water, put them in the baggie, and you kind of do like a shake and bake kind of deal. Then you get a real light coating on your fillets. And then once we fry these up, we're doing some French fries right now, but once we fry these up, these are going to be just like potato chips. They'll taste really, really good. And then put a little bit of salt and pepper on them when they come out. So once we get frying them, we'll show you how that works. Gotta have really good hot oil, and we're using peanut oil because peanut oil can stand the heat, higher heat. So here we go. First batch of fish. Ooh, those are gonna cook up nice. Look at those nice golden brown perch. Woo-hoo. Look at that. Get everybody in there and start eating them while they're nice and warm. There you go.